YouTube, what it do? It's your boy One back with another video. Want to do just a quick short video of the actual proof of the payout that I requested. Here is the $1,217 payout I requested literally this morning. I'm gonna show you guys real quick where I'm at currently in trading. 1,217. Here's the date. 6 hours ago requested this, and here's the second. You can see the date. August 21st, 1,700. That leaves me almost at $3,000, $2,900 in the past 14 trading days. Definitely not mad at that. These are humble beginnings. I'm just really just journaling where I'm at currently in trading. And I want to just touch up on the payout subject a little bit more. I have made videos on payouts already before, but I want to emphasize what I'm doing right now currently is, as I've said before, I have simplified everything. I am shooting for a higher win rate, 1 to 1, 1 to 2 max risk to reward per trade. And I am keeping things very simple and I am sizing down. The most I'll size in a week is maybe once a week if the setup is way too A plus. I've been focusing on consistency more so than profits. I used to always say process over profits, but I truly never really meant it. Right now, I'm really strictly following that model and following those concepts in trading per se, and it's been consistent. It's been working. I'm definitely proud of it, and I'm definitely gonna keep going. I've been documenting absolutely everything, each and every single step of the way. Today it's Thursday, September 4th. I didn't take any trades at all. Really just wanted to come in here and show you guys the actual proof of the payout and just build some credibility with you guys. Honestly, I have been trading for 10 months, and I want to clarify that me getting payouts, me being $7,000, $8,000 in payouts before I even hit my year mark, it does not make me a genius, right? It does not make me a genius. I haven't even gone through multiple market cycles, multiple seasons. There's a lot of things that I still need to witness. I am, by no definition, any genius or a chart wizard. I simply put in the work and back testing and learning the data that I need to gather in order to succeed. Trial and error like a motherfucker, repetitions and journaling each and every single thing I do in the charts. Okay, and that's what I advise you guys to do as well. Okay, definitely journal everything that you do. Never give up just because you had a losing streak. Never get discouraged. Journal everything that you do. I also pretty much advise anybody in terms of psychology. If you're getting into trading, don't depend on trading entirely to win because that can fucking ruin you. Honestly, it can definitely ruin you. There is no certainties in trading. Through discretion and through trading for a while, you end up trusting your model through your wins and through your success and through the data you've gathered. But at the beginning, there's no safety net whatsoever. Okay, you guys need to understand I blew a lot of accounts before getting to this point, before reaching this consistency. Now I've been profitable for a couple months already, but it didn't always start like this. Okay, I used to take a lot of L's. I used to blow accounts. Another topic I want to touch on this past few months is size. Okay, I definitely don't increase size. If you think about it, poor entries do not blow your accounts. Okay, size is what blows your accounts. You can have a beautiful win streak, then one day you double down because you're feeling fucking unstoppable, and that's when you give all your profits to the markets. It's never poor entries. It's definitely size. All you got to do is not be a dickhead and throw in a bunch of size because you're feeling confident or because you're coming from a very good streak or because you've requested a bunch of payouts. So now you think that you're invisible to losses. You definitely want to stay grounded and you want to stay a student of the game. I am still learning. Okay, I still journal each trade like as if I was an amateur. I'm still in my head an amateur, right? There's people making way more money than I am in this industry, and I'm just simply a student of the game, and I'm just documenting my progress because even though I don't have the years under my belt, I can guarantee I'm going to be one of the greatest. And this everything I'm doing is just building monumental success. So I'm journaling everything, each and every single step of the way, and that's pretty much all I'm doing, honestly. And if I can do this, anybody can do this. Okay, like I'm not a fucking dude. I'm a college dropout. I fucking failed all my classes in college. I failed all my classes in high school. I was never no fucking good student. Okay, I've always damn near even you know I fucking always broke rules. Okay, I fucking when I was younger, for example, I'm 25 right now. There's a lot of traders that are 19, 18 making a bunch of money. When I was their age, I was fucking drinking and being a fucking degenerate and just hanging with a bunch of chicks and with my friends and just being a pig. Okay, probably killed a bunch of brain cells all those years. Guess what? It didn't stop me from doing what I'm doing right now. Okay, I figured out trading, learned about trading about 10 months ago, and ever since then, I've been fucking running with it. I'm never gonna stop. If you put your head down, if you study, if you journal everything that you do, if you take it very fucking serious, like your life depends on it, you're gonna crack something. You're gonna crack something. You have to be relentless. You have to think in terms of probabilities. You need to forget about any certainties. You need to forget about a safety net. You need to understand if you want to become successful at this, you have to give in your everything. Okay, you can't think with your emotions. You gotta leave your emotions entirely out of the fucking door, and you need to never give up. Okay, you need to stay in the game. You need to learn risk management. You need to learn an edge, a profitable edge. You learn your edge by taking a bunch of fucking trades, journaling each and every one of them, making losses, making mistakes, and learning from them. Sounds repetitive. You've heard this before, but that's truly what it is. Okay, and with it, enough time, you'll get discretion. With enough repetition, you'll get discretion, and you'll know. You'll just know, but you have to pay attention. You have to pay attention. That's pretty much all I wanted to say. Just a quick video showing the payouts, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this nice credibility video on payouts. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. $2,000 in the past 14 trading days. As a fucking amateur, if I can do it, you can do it too. That's all I want to say. Let's go. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.